Here's how to repair a hole in your drywall. Mark the nearest stud to your hole. It's important to ensure a durable installment. Most small drywall patches, it's typically not needed. But for this one, I want it to sleep well. I cannot stress how important it is to cut your drywall patches completely square whenever you are able to. Practicing good habits will save you a lot of time and headaches if you take the extra time to do it efficiently. It's a no-brainer. As you can see, I'm using a traditional blade. No need for power tools for this small patch. We have all the edges cleaned up and ready for installment. I have a question for the pros and DIYers. What's better, DeWalt or Milwaukee? Please don't say Ryobi. Leave your answers down below in the comment section. I'm going to measure. Here it says 7 inches. I'm going to measure over here, 7 inches. This is why it's important to always have everything nice and square, because then your measurements will be nice and square and they won't sound wacky. Here I got 9 1/8. Here, 9 1/8. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it at 9. And then here, instead of 7, I'm going to go 6 7/8. It gives me some wiggle room. That way I'm not trying to force this into the wall and then you end up doing more damage. Bang, bang, shibiggy bang. It's literally that easy, guys. Always make sure to check the thickness of your drywall before starting any drywall repair. In the next video, we're going to show you how to spackle this drywall patch and get it ready for paint. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. And that's how you patch drywall.